Okay, hey guys, and welcome to today's video. Now, I'm really excited for today's video because I had taken a few Skillshare classes yesterday, which is why I didn't post a video. But I've been learning all types of techniques, and these two Skillshare classes that I took today helped me a lot. And I'm able to, um, okay, let me back up and say this. So I've always started with the eyes, like when I do my sketch and everything in pencil, but it did occur to me to draw the overall head shape first with guidelines, and that really helped me out to draw the chisel jaw. And I'm really excited that I kind of like leaning towards the left a little bit, like the iris. I think it's fine, but like it could be. Hold on. Well, I guess it's okay. But with that being said, like the eyes are looking in the same direction. Anyways, I think it's fine. Maybe it's just me. Maybe, I don't know. But anyways, I'm gonna stop correcting it. And then I did this one over here. And I was really excited how these two came out. And for the materials I am using for these ink portraits are these brush pen I'm using, and just a regular, if I can hold it, ballpoint pen. So I'm using that. So I'm going to show you my color pencil portraits as well. So maybe my color pencils have improved my ballpoint pens. So this one I'm really proud of. I'm still working on her. It's been more than a week, I think, and I still have to finish the hair. I'm procrastinating and everything, and I don't know why, but sometimes we just need a break from a drawing, and yeah, so I'm going to show you some more portraits. Okay, and let's see. Try to hold on, guys. Okay, so here's another one I'm very proud of, as the color pencil as well. Very proud of that one. But yeah, so those are the color pencil portraits. We also might be doing in today's video some studies. I'm gonna go over some tips and tricks of ballpoint pen and leaving the white of the paper as highlights. That will show depth in your drawings, and marking your paper and marking your reference as well. So we're going to be doing these two ballpoint pen, well, I mean not these two ballpoint pen portraits, but I'm going to be working on this one right here. So if you guys like what you see here, and then also if we have time, I'm going to be doing a iPad Procreate, like study the light source type deal. So we're going to be going over that as well in today's video. So there's a lot to cover ground with in today's video. If you guys have any questions or any memes, or let me know down in the comments below, and I'll be happy to answer them. If this video's up late today, so sorry, I'm getting it up fast as I can. I missed yesterday because I was getting frustrated with art, and it was just an art block day. You just heard Monday to my art block day, so there's not a video on Monday, that's why. I just want to clarify that a little bit. So if you guys have any questions or anything like that, let me know in the comments below. And before I continue to repeat myself, thank you for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and turn your notification bell on so you won't miss a video. And let's get started with today's video. Okay, hey guys, and welcome to today's video. So I'm really excited for today's video because I think it's a major improvement for the ballpoint pen portraits, and I've been taking a lot of Skillshare classes lately to try to learn, well, not really, well, I guess learn, but try to get my pen portraits up to par with my color pencil portraits. And I'm really excited to say that these two drawings are one of my better portraits I think I've done in pen. I think my color pencil portraits have really helped improve that. So I'm going to share some beginner tips for you guys. Now, when I do pen portraits, depending how long I want to focus on them, um, these are beginner tips of and tricks that you can do for your portraits and if you want to draw along. Number one is to start with the face shape. I usually started with the eyes and the guidelines, but if you add on the face shape, and I know it's a very beginner um, thing to do, but I'm just saying adding the face shape first really helps you with the proportions and getting that chisel jaw and face shape and likeness and everything. So I'm really excited when I learned that today, and I've been taking a few Skillshare classes, and that helped me a lot. And I couldn't really understand like what to start with first. Cause I started with the eyes and worked my way out, but start with the face shape helped a lot with proportions and getting that style and one after. And yeah, so second tip, guidelines. Guidelines help you get the proportions right, and they help you put the eyes where they need to be. And um, I think the third tip is when you shade and everything, you want to mark on your reference. Like if you have Procreate, this is very easy to do, or if you just want to print out your reference photo and then mark it with a red Sharpie or something. And what I mean by marking, I mean observing your reference photo and observing the light and shadow where everything goes. And what I mean by that is you want to look for the highlights, reflecting light, bounce light. And I'm talking a lot about shading right now, but it's really helpful. The class broke it down so easily last night, and she explained it so well that I understood it and gave those highlights. And here's the secret tip for you guys who are watching this far into the video. Use the white of the paper for highlights. Oh my goodness gracious, that changed my appearance of my portraits. And before I was doing pen work, I got my paper too dark, and yeah, I wasn't really focused on the highlights or knowing the names of the shadow, like the core shadow. And I know I'm talking to a lot of art talk right now, but it's just the basics, and this is kind of like a beginner video, so maybe you can start somewhere. You can start now, but later on in the video, I'll show you how I do mark the reference photo and do iPad portrait studies, showing the face shape and starting the face shape first, and everything. So this is a full video for you guys today, and I'm really excited about that. If I skip a day, that means I'm focusing on my art and focusing on improvement and trying to practice a little bit. Sometimes I have art block too. So like yesterday was a bad art block day for me. So today is a lot better. I feel more motivated. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this part of the video as I am doing the hair. So I'm going to go ahead and pause this voiceover until we get to the iPad art, and I'll be talking about that in a minute. Okay, hey guys, and welcome to the iPad section of the video. So, I'm going to show you that you can do the same thing with your reference photo if you have Procreate or printer, and you can print it out and do it. But I'm marking the highlights, and I'm marking the shadows and more the shading. Now, this is a picture from Unsplash.com, free of copyright and everything. So, this one I'm marking the highlight with a red ink brush on Procreate, and I kind of had like a hard time getting started with it, but you're marking the highlights here and where you're shading, and yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy that part of the reference. So I wanted to share with that real quick. Now we're going to go on to the portrait studies I did in Procreate, and I'm very excited of how these came out because we started with the face shape first. It changed everything. So I don't know. Oh yeah, I was marking the highlights here in the different reference photo. I could have drawn the photo that I was showing you guys, but I didn't want to, so this was just reference from different photo. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It's a long one, I know, and I hope it makes up for yesterday. We're skipping yesterday, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you have any questions, I removed those circles. It was just to mark the highlights. I erased them at the end. But right now I'm focusing on adding the shadows and actually, honestly, adding the highlights. I know I was focusing color pencil work and making those highlights pop on the lips, but it's clear to me that I could do the same thing for the whole face. But you don't want to go overboard. I just want to mention that real quick. You don't want to go overboard with your gel pen. But like if there's highlights at the bottom of the eye, like near the tear duct, this is just experience from the past digital painting. But I will say this, I'll try to capture the expression of the portrait a little bit, and I think the left eye is a little bit towards the left, a little bit, but that's just me. Maybe I'm being too hard on myself lately, but you can see how small the face is. I've always wanted to draw small faces, like portrait studies, like you saw in the 100 head challenge, and now I'm able to do it because I'm able to draw the face shape. So I know it's very basic beginner stuff, but I've been trying to figure that out for the life of me for the past several years, and I've always started with the eyes. And I know I'm repeating myself here, but I just hope that this video helped you guys as taking Skillshare classes and been learning a lot. So it's really fun. We're about to go on to the second phase, and I'm just having a lot of fun learning, and sometimes I get crazy obsessed with it and trying to figure stuff out. And yeah, so we're gonna go ahead to the next one. I forgot to mention I set my toe in the paper tan and light brown, and that just helped to not stare at a blank canvas and to really get sketching done. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I had fun doing this video. I actually thought about how many times can I say video. I thought about doing this video for the longest time, and I'm finally doing it, and I'm really excited. So guys, if you have any questions or anything like that, leave them in the comments down below. This is just beginner portrait tips that are probably silly to those who are advanced. But even if you are advanced, you need a refresher, maybe this video can help you out as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have a marvelous day, and I hope you guys enjoy today's video. Bye guys.